Welcome to day 12 of our 30-day series on marriage and emotional growth. Today we are talking about trust, the silent foundation of marriage. Trust is not loud, it doesn't announce itself, but it quietly holds everything together in a relationship. I often think about this when I talk about trust. A bird doesn't sit on a branch because it trusts the branch not to break. It sits there because it trusts its wings, right? In the same way, trust is not only about the other person in the relationship. It is also about what we carry within ourselves. If you have been hurt, if you don't believe in your own strength, even a safe person can feel unstable. In marriage, trust can break, and when it does, it often breaks quietly. It is not always one big betrayal. More often, it is about the small things that repeat over time. Promises that were not kept, words that dismiss instead of comfort. These small cracks begin to add up, and suddenly the foundation feels weak. And when trust feels broken, both partners begin to struggle. The one who was hurt feels unsafe, constantly wondering, can I rely on you again? The one who broke the trust may feel shame, guilt, or defensiveness, which only makes the gap wider. But there is hope. Trust, though fragile, is not lost forever. It can be rebuilt, not with grand gestures or one-time apologies, but with consistency. It takes accountability and the willingness to say, I know I have hurt you and I'm committed to repairing this. It takes lots of patience because healing trust is a slow process. Rebuilding trust also means turning inward. Sometimes what we struggle with is not only trusting our partner but also trusting ourselves, trusting our own ability to heal and to set boundaries. So here's what I want you to think about. What is the one way you can strengthen trust in your relationship today? Is it by keeping a promise or by showing up as you said you would? This is your Aarti Sujay reminding you that trust is the silent foundation of marriage. Without it, love begins to struggle to breathe. With it, even the strongest storms can be weathered together. And trust is not built with one grand gesture, it is built in the everyday. Tomorrow in day 13, we'll be talking about the roles of boundaries in marriage, why boundaries don't push love away but actually protect and strengthen it. Until then, take care and stay blessed.